Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and as always, the cameraman has me laughing before the film starts rolling. Friday we went to a garage sale. Saturday we went to a flea market. I divided it up. This is just Friday. We'll show you Saturday coming up. I have been saying since the lockdown started, there are no dolls for sale in the thrift stores or at garage sales around here. Well, that's changing. I did find some things and I'm pretty tickled with what I found. I actually left behind a couple of American Girl dolls and some other things, but they were a little bit more than I wanted to pay. So let me show you what I got on Friday. My dolls need chairs. What did I pay for this? I think it was $3, maybe less. It used to be 50 cents, then it was $1, then it was $2, now $3 is the new 50 cents. But I got this Baby Alive doll. This is one of the first ones I bought that the batteries weren't working, but I'm betting it was left on. Now the back of her head looks like she's bald. She's not. She's going to need some work. And that's okay because I paid 25 cents for her. I'll get her cleaned up. She's a cute little thing. I like those Baby Alives. And there's a lot of people out there in YouTube land that collect the Baby Alives or like them. I found this girl at a garage sale. And look at this braid. I love these. These were real popular on the tails of horses, and y'all know I'm a horse lady. Her hair is going to need some work, but she's in excellent shape. Look at her face and hands. Just really good shape. Even the glitter on her top is still good. What did I pay? 50 cents or a quarter for her? I think I might have paid a quarter. Anyway, not more than 50 cents, let's say that. We went to this garage sale and they had this little doll. And I even smelled her to see what kind she was. I couldn't find any markings on her. She does not smell like velvet. Y'all had me checking that. But she came with shoes. I don't know. She's not a welly wisher. I know that. Oh, the boots are cut. No wonder she still has the boots. They're kind of on there. I paid $1 for her. She's a cute little doll. Once I get her some clothes that actually fit, and my other girls will like that. But I did not see any markings on her. I didn't have my glasses. I even had Darren check. But what a cute little doll for $1. So I went ahead and bought her. And at that same garage sale, they had something. Actually, Darren found this for me. They had these craft kits. American Girl craft kits. I got these each for $3, a little bit more than I wanted to pay, but they're American Girl. I probably won't keep these. I don't know, somebody might want those. And Darren found a Star Wars Lego book. Now, is this actually putting, it's just...
It's a sticker book.
Oh, it's a sticker book. Well, how cute is that? What'd you pay, a dime?
Yep.
And that was worth it. And then I found this Russell Stover's Barbie 10. I just thought it was cool because it's Russell Stover's and Barbie. There's a lot of people that collect Russell Stover 10s and Barbie. So I bought that for, I think, a quarter. And I play jacks. And I found some actual metal jacks. I haven't counted them yet. They were metal and I bought them. And we live in a 1940, it was actually built in 1940 farmhouse. And these were real popular in the 40s and 50s and 60s and even the 70s actually. And they were about this size and they were metal. Now if you look at the tag, that's how they would have come back then. So I'm probably going to display that on a shelf in my house. A quarter. It was worth it. They had Barbies for a quarter. And while she is not made to move, she is very articulated. And I like that. Her hands are not. Her feet are not. Her ankles are not, but otherwise, I mean, that's not bad. So 25 cents, I'll buy it. This was actually, I think we got this first thing. This was my favorite deal of the day, a Bitty Baby. I love these dolls. These are made by American Girl. I would have paid $3 for the dress. I don't know who the dress is actually going to fit because I think it's too big for her, but we'll see. Uh-oh. Yeah, and it stained her. Doggone it. I'll have to work on that. But she was $3. The fabric on its body is really in good shape. I'm very disappointed in the staining. Tammy Polly from Peace Love Craft Dolls.
Peace Craft Love Dolls.
Oh, God, Tammy, I'm sorry. I can never say it. Anyway, she just opened a brand new doll that had some staining. Nothing like this. And we were just talking about how to get that off. And I guess we're going to be talking more. Anyway, for $3, if the stain stayed, I'd be disappointed, but okay with it. So that's my little American Girl Bitty Baby. And then I found a troll. What do I always say? I'm not buying more dolls. Look at this table. It is a Russ troll. I don't know the year it's from, quite a while ago. And it was 25 cents. Wasn't going to leave it. I found something. Actually, Darren found something for our daughter-in-law, our middle daughter-in-law. She has a Harry Potter Lego collection that she has built, and he found this and he said, you know, Jen needs this. Even if she already has it, she needed that. And I found some earrings for my dolls. They're really tiny. Those would be cute on those little 6-inch articulated dolls, or the Blythe, or the any at all. But look at the little music notes. Can you see those? There's some music note fabric at Walmart, and I know a lot of you have seen it. It's in the fat quarters. And I keep thinking I'm going to buy it. I haven't. Well, now I think I am. One more thing, really cool. I wear a lot of colognes and perfumes. Perfume is out of my price range. I've only had bottles of perfume a handful of times in my life, and I treasure it. I found a bottle of perfume, and it is perfume. It does not have the tag on the bottom anymore. Well, actually, it has a clear tag, but I can't read that. I don't know what kind it is. I don't care. I like it. $3. $3. That's quite a find. Then when we came home, there was Happy Mail. Well, it's not Happy Mail, it's orders, but let's see what's in here. I really don't know. They came a long way, and it takes a very long time anymore. I'm waiting on some stuff from there now. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is very, very cool. These are charms I bought. I'm going to tell you, especially if you're in the USA and you're thinking about Halloween, get your stuff ordered if you're getting it from AliExpress or any China places, because guess what? It takes a long time. Show this on the orange and see if that shows up. Oh, here.
It showed up fine.
Okay. So I got a bunch of skeleton charms for making outfits and necklaces and who knows what. I just thought they were kind of cute. Darren and I wear, usually in September, we decorate our bicycles. We have a bunch of vintage bicycles out in front of in our front yard. We live on the Katy Trail, and the end of September, Darren's birthday is September 25th, and usually then we carry out our life-size skeletons and decorate our bicycles. So we also have bicycle kits, which is the clothing you wear when you ride bikes, skeletons. So those were kind of fun. Oh, looky here. I got a fur coat. This doesn't look as nice. Well, let's get it out and see. You know what? I just can never find the I would reuse these, but they usually break on me anyway. Okay, that's not near as nice as what I've gotten in the past. That's cute, but it's not what I was hoping for. That is kind of nappy. It's like a dog that Carrie from Ink Pad's Play Pad, you're gonna love this. It's like a dog that is groomed by their owner that doesn't know how to hold the clippers, but it's okay. That is for my Barbies and Blythes. What else is in here? Oh, they came. The little tennis shoes for Blythe. Won't those be cute for Daisy riding the bicycle? I just thought those were adorable. Dorkable. And, oh, and another pair. Woohoo, I got shoes. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I hope you'll come back and see Saturday's haul, possibly later this week or next. You're going to be interested to find out what I found amazing at the flea market. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.